Welcome back to this video. Today's video I will show you on how to manually save password to Google Password Manager. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my phone settings. Just like so. Having opened up your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for Google. So click on Google. So it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on manage your Google account. Then the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way, and then you have to navigate to security right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to manage password. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add password. So from the top right here, you have to enter the website name URL. So I'm going to enter w.pioneer.com. Then I'm going to come here, enter the username. And I'm going to come here and enter the login password. So having entered the username and password, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save. So we can simply scroll down and look for the detail. So here we go, pioneer.com. And with this, you have manually saved password to your Google Password Manager. And each time you want to log in to the website, it will automatically allow you to log in. And whenever you forgot a password, you can simply come here, click on it, and enter your login pattern. And then you will have access back to the username and the password of the site. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to manually save your username and login password on Google Password Manager. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.